A very good morning, dear students. So, in the last classes, you learned the first and second chapter. Today, I am going to explain the third chapter. It is multiplication. Dear students, here you need to multiply the numbers, 3-digit numbers with 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers with 1 digit, 2 digits as well as 3 digits. Along with that, estimating the products to nearest 100, nearest 1000 and also nearest tens. And finally, we are going to discuss some word problems. Before that, dear students, you should by heart or memorize the multiplication tables from 11 to 20. At any cost, you must by heart the multiplication tables, because for multiplication and also the next chapter it is division, multiplication tables are very essential. Without tables you cannot learn properly. So it is our request to by heart the multiplication tables. I hope you are all by hearting in this holidays, in this vacation. Okay, when you are coming to the school, within first week we are going to ask you the multiplication tables from 1 to 20. I hope that you have by hearted from 1 to 12. From 11 to 20 in this duration, in this vacation, you please by heart it. So now come to the third chapter, it is multiplication. Before going to the chapter, you should know about what is meant by multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. How many times repeatedly we are adding the numbers, this is called as multiplication, or the simplest form of addition is called as multiplication. Dear students, answer in addition it is called as sum, answer in subtraction it is called as difference. Similarly, answer in multiplication it is called as product. What we have called answer, that is called as the product. So here we are going to take some problems. Take one example, 14 into 5. To take another problem, it is 20 into 11. Observe, dear children. So these are the problems are there in my practice first. My practice first exercise part I have taken. You complete the remaining problems by yourself. I am explaining these two problems. If you know the multiplication table, then you can do directly. You can write the answers directly. If you don't know, you can split the numbers and multiply and write the answer. Okay? So here 14 into 7, it means that 14 is repeated 5 times or 5 is repeated 14 times. Both are same only. 14 is repeated 5 times or 5 is repeated 14 times. So that 14 fives, it has become 70. 70 is the answer. It is the product. Dear students, if you know that multiplication tables, you can write 70 directly. If you don't know, then write it once again, 14 into 5. Then you multiply. How to multiply? This is the only one digit. First you multiply to ones place number. 5 fours. 5 fours are. It is 20. So 20 directly you cannot write. So write ones place number here and tens place number. It is give carry. Now you multiply 5 to 1. 5 into 1. 5 ones, 5 only. So 5 plus 2. That answer you need to add this given term. 5 ones 5. 5 plus 2. It is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. What is the answer you got? You got 70 only. Directly also you got the same answer. Similarly, dear children, so 20 into 11. It is very simple. 20 has repeated 11 times or 11 is repeated 20 times. You know that 11 tens 110. 11 tens 110. Again 11 20 times, it is again 110 times. So that it is 220. 220. If you don't know directly, so 20 into 11. So this is ones place, this is tens place. When you are multiplying, start multiplied with ones place digit. This 1 into 0. 1 into 0 becomes 0 only. When you multiply 0 to any number, the product is 0 itself only. So 1 zeros 0, 1 twos 2. Dear children, now the multiplication of ones place, it has completed. So you leave ones place. You should leave ones place, because if you should not write from again ones place. Now we are starting multiplication with tens place. Now you start multiplication with tens place. 1 into 0 becomes 0. 1 into 2. 1 into 2 becomes 2. So the answer. Now these two numbers, this is number and these two numbers should add it. 0, here is nothing. 0, you write it here. 2 plus 0 becomes, if you add any number to 0, you are getting the same number, it is 2 only. Here, only 2, you just write it. What is the answer you got here? 220. Here also you got 220. So I hope you are all understanding these type of problems. So dear children, these are the questions. Problems are there in the textbook. My practice time. One, it is there in page number 38. Please everyone should complete this my practice time. It is there in page number 38. I hope you will complete, because these are very easy questions. Now I should proceed to the next. It is my practice 2, and it is the multiplication of 3-digit numbers along with 3-digit numbers. Multiplication of 3 digits with 3-digit numbers. So it is there in my practice 2. It is page number 39. This page also you please complete it, because these are very simple problems. First problem I am going to take. Here 124 into 313. 124 into 313. Dear students, so they have given the question is like this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 10,000. So the question is like this, they were asking. So if you know the answer, if you know multiplication by using this chart, you can write it. Otherwise, you can write in which method I am explaining now. So first number you write it, 124 into 124 is the first number. Another number is 313. It is 313. So no need to write the place value chart, because you are all in 4th standard. These students, 124 is going to multiply with 313. First, when you are starting the multiplication, you should always start multiplying with ones place number. It is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So ones place with these 3 numbers. Okay. After, take tens place and leave ones place, multiplying these 3 digits. Again, leave 2 places, multiplying with the 3rd place. In this method only, you start multiplying. Okay. See the question. 124 into 313. Start multiplying with ones place number. It is 3. So 3 fours, it is 12. Write 2 here, 1 carry. Give carry. So it is 12. 2 here, 1 should write it here. Again 3 twos, 3 2 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Don't forget to add this carry term. Again 3 ones, 3. So dear children, now the multiplication of ones place it is completed. Now when you have completed ones place, here also you will use space. Because now you have started multiplying with tens place. So that don't forget to leave this place. If you forget, then the answer become wrong. Okay? So 1 into 4. 1 into 4 becomes 4 only. Again 1 into 2. Don't confuse this carry term. This also you have finished. You have added. So 1 into 2. 1 twos 2. 1 into 1. 1 ones 1. Dear children, this tens place also completed. So how many place we are going to leave now? Ones place along with tens place. Because now we are multiplying with 100 place. So 3 into 4. 3 fours 12. 2 here. 1 should carry. Give carry to the next number. 3 twos. 3 twos how much? 6. 6 plus 1, 7. This also added. Now 3 ones, 3. So when you are getting these 3 numbers, you should add all these 3 numbers. Plus addition. 2 here nothing. Write it 2 as it is. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 becomes 11. Write 1 here and 1 should give carry. 1 plus 3. Don't forget to add this carry term. First only you should add this one. 1 plus 3 becomes 4. 4 plus 2. 6 plus 2. 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. Next 1 plus 7 is again 8. 3. Write it as it is. What is the answer you got? 1, 2, 3. 3 digit after you put comma. 38,812. Then dear students, what is the answer? Therefore 124 into 313 is equal to 38,812. This is the answer. I hope you are all understanding this type of problems. So, dear students, you please complete this My Practice Time 2. It is there in the page number 39. In this method only you please follow it, or otherwise I am going to take one more. You please observe carefully. See the question, dear students. It is the second one. 22,652 into 25. Observe here, the question is like this. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So they have given the place value chart. Now we are in 4th. So no need to write the place value chart. Write the numbers. It is 2,652 into 25. Okay, here I am giving space to write the answer. Dear students, first you multiply and write the answer here. So that 2,652 into 25. So from which number you are going to start multiplication? You should always start with ones place. Then move to the tens place. So 5 twos are, it is 10. Write 0 here. 1 regroup or 1 give to carry. 5 fives. Here you are making mistakes. 5 fives. Immediately you say that it is 10. You are doing multiplication. So that 5 fives 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. Write 6 here. 2 should regroup. 5 6 5 6 is a 5 6 is a 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is a 30, 30 plus 2 becomes 32, 2 here, 3 carry. Again 5 2 is a 5 2 is a 10 plus 3 becomes 13. Dear students, now multiplication of ones place number completed. So you leave ones place digit, ones place number and start multiplying with 2 tens place. 2 2's 4, write it in tens place. 2 5's, it is 10, 2 5's 10, write 0 here, 1 should regroup. 2 6's, 2 6's are, it is 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 3 here, 1 should carry. 2 2's, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Dear students, now you add these two numbers. 6, 0 plus nothing, it is 0 only. 6 plus 4, it is 10, 1 should give regroup. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 0, 3 only. 3 plus 3 becomes 6. 1 plus 5 becomes 6. What is the answer you got? It is 66,300. Dear students, in this method only, you please do the multiplication. You will not get any confusion. If you are following these steps, you will not do any mistakes. So, if you are having any confusions, any doubts in the regular classes, once again we are going to discuss. Now I should proceed to the next exercise part. Next exercise part, it is practice time third. So what is practice time third? It says multiplication of numbers with 10, 100 and 1000. Multiplication by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. So it is there in the my practice third. It is there page number I think 41. Okay, dear students. So when you are multiplying any numbers, whatever the numbers with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, like that, how to write, how to multiplying the numbers by using simplest form, simplest way. It's very simple, dear children. I am going to take, so 216 into 10. So few examples I could take. So 79 into 100. 103 into 1000 and 996 into 10,000. So here you please observe carefully. You are multiplying some numbers with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So it's very simple to multiplying these type of numbers. How to write? Yes students, when you are multiplying with 10, write the number as it is 216. Write the number as it is. In 10, how many zeros are there? You just observe. How many zeros are there? Here only 1 0. In this number, write 1 0. So here, in the next second one, write the number as it is. What is the number? It is 79. In 100, how many zeros are there? There are 2 zeros. Write 2 zeros in the answer. This is the answer. It is the answer. Now come to the third one. Write the number as it is. It is 103. How many zeros are there in 1000? There are 3 zeros. In the answer also should write 3 zeros. So the answer finished. Now come to the next one. So 996. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Your answer has finished. So in this method, you can do it the answer. Dear students, you may have doubt whether the answer is right or wrong. So I am going to check one number. So it is 216 into 10. Observe here. 216 into 10. Whether this answer will come or not, you please check it. Okay. So 10, 6, 60. So write 0 here, 6 carry. 10 ones, 10. 10 plus 6 becomes 16. Write 6 here, 1 should regroup. 10 twos, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Right? 21. Have you got the same answer? Yes, students, 2160. Here also 2160. You take one more, it is the last one, 79 into 100. So 100 tables are very easy. 101, 100s, 102s, 200, 103s, 300 likewise. So 100 nines, it is 100 you are taken 9 times, so that 900. 900, write this 0 here, it is 0, remaining 90, you give carry. 100 into 7s, 100 sevens are, how much? 100 sevens. So in 900 write 0 here and 90 you carry. 100 sevens, 700, 700 plus 90 becomes 0, 0 plus 9 becomes 9, 7, 790, 790. What is the answer you got? 7900. Here also you got 7900. So I hope you are all understanding. So when you are multiplying any numbers with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, it's very simple. Write the number as it is. How many zeros are there in 10, 100, 1000, you count and write such number of zeros. Then you will get the answer. So I hope you are all finished the My Practice Time third one. It is there in the page number 41 in your textbook. So now, dear students, I am proceeding to the next type. It is My Practice Time 4. Some word problems are there. My Practice 4. It is there in the page number 42. Okay. So dear students, so in this method only you please do it. The sentences or words are different, but method is similar only. Method is same only. So here the question is like this. A box contains 3457 balls. How many balls are there in 5 such boxes. So this is very simple question. So remaining questions also similar like this only. So instead of 5, you may take it as 12 such boxes, because 5 is very easy number. You may take different number. Okay. A box contains 3457 balls. You may consider tennis balls. Okay. And how many balls are there in such 12 boxes? One box contains 3457. How many balls are there in such 12 boxes? Okay, it's just multiplication. So you can do it. There are 3457 balls are there in one box. To find out how many balls are there in 12 box, multiplied with 12. So dear students, you just multiply. If you know the multiplication table of 12, you can do it directly, or otherwise you split the numbers into ones place and tens place and multiply and add it, then you will get the answer. So 2 sevens 14, write 4 here, 1 carry. 2 fives 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 pure, again 1 carry. 2 fours 8 plus 1 9, 2 threes 6. Dear children, ones place multiplication completed, finished. Now you leave this place. Start with tens place. 1 sevens 7. It's very simple. When you are multiplying with 1, then write the numbers as it is. Here 7, 5, 4, 3. So now add these two numbers. Okay. 4 plus 0 is 4 only. 7. 1 plus 7, 8. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 regroup. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 pure. 1 regroup. 1 plus 3 becomes 4. How many balls are there in such 12 boxes? There are 41,484. Therefore, there are 41,484 balls in 12 boxes. So you can do the problems in this method. I hope, dear students, you can do it the problems by yourself, because these are very simple problems. Okay, now I should proceed to the last part. It is estimating the product. Estimating the product. So the questions are like this. Estimate the product by rounding off the numbers to nearest tens. So the question is 290 into 52. So you just finding the product by estimating or rounding off the numbers to nearest tens. So first you round off to nearest 10. So dear children, for 219, which is the nearest 10? 219 to nearest 10 is, so you observe last digit, last place. If it is 5 or greater than 5, go to the next 10. So it is greater than 5, so the next 10 is 220. 52. The last digit is, it is less than 5, then you come to the previous 10. Previous means it is the 50 only. Now you can multiply these two numbers. So 120 into 50. You can do it 220 into 50. Yes students, it's very easy. So if you multiply it with 0, all the numbers become 0. 0 zeros, 0 only. 0 twos, 0. 0 twos, again 0. Leave ones place. Start multiplication with 5's, 10's place. 5 zeros, 0. 5 twos, 10. 1 regroup. So 5 2's again 10 plus 1, 11. Which one you are getting? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. That is 11,000 you are getting. What is the answer? It is 11,000. In this method, you can find out the product by estimating the numbers. You can estimate to nearest tens, nearest hundreds, nearest thousands also. So I hope, dear children, you can finish all these practice time exercises parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and also my practice exercise, it is 5, is there in page number 43. Okay. So in the next classes, I am going to take one more chapter. It is division, very simple. So when you are getting time, you sit and by heart the multiplication tables. Dear students, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.